Hello everybody! Today I show you my new lawn mower. The brand is a Honda. It's Honda in and out. It's including engine. And this is my first time purchase a Honda lawn mower. I don't know. My last one is something I forgot. I bought this to replace my 20 years old lawnmower. This, you see the box? I got the brand new box. No damage. It's unopened yet. See how big is that? It's big. And yeah, I will open the box to show all you see what inside. And yeah, this lawnmower, they have what here, what they say. Yeah, you can you see it? This they have twins here. Twins blade cut. That's and this 3-in-1 system and simple variable speed and GCV160 engine. And this one is was a adaptable quick roll handle for convenient storage and transport. Yeah, and yeah, it's let me see, auto chock system, just start and go, and a steel deck. Durable steel for a long life. Oh, to talk about this, my old lawnmower is still working. Engine is still working. The only problem we have, the problem with the deck is tear out and the engine drop. But the engine is still working fine. 2-position adjustable handle. So what else? 6mm mowing height, 118 to 4 inches. And let's go to adaptable for more detail here. Can you see it? And for the time sewing micro cut twins blades. There you go. For cutting surface produce. Super cut quality fine clipping. More farther before filling the bag and empty it the lens often. Quick nutrition return when mulching. Next, let me go more detail about this one. Reliable in Honda GCV160 engines. Easy installing and powerful, legendary performance to qualify you can trust. Okay, what else I forgot to say? Oh, here go for more detail. The simple variable speed control. The smart drive easily adapt movement speed to your drive as you rotate the control. Adjustable control position for comfort. The slogan: Honda lawn mowers, very smart, simple, money saving, adaptable, reliable, time saving. And here's a self-propelled, variable speed, lawn mower with auto chuck. It's a twins blade advantage, 3 years warranties. So far that's the information you say. I believe that's it's well, here in the box. What else in the box you can see? Sustainable forestry initiative certified sourcing. This on the side, just a Honda Mower, very smart. And this side is same, and then here is information this box. This the model number. This is the model number HRR. This is the model number HRR216VKA. Actually, easy discharge. I don't know, about home improvement store, and I picked the low to high prices, and I choose the second one. I think the first one 389 something. This is the second one. That second price is when I buy it's $3.99. About home improvement store. Okay, I will go open the box to let you see what inside. I'll let you see what inside.